Hey guys, this is Taylor and my dad, Drennan Bailey. We're at Bailey Properties, and today we're at 210 Woolsey Road. It's a beautiful farm. Dad, tell them more about it.
Thank you, Taylor. This ranch is just south of Steelville in Crawford County. We have 18 acres, an adjoining 200 acres, and another adjoining 735 plus or minus acres to make this an incredible ranch.
So many cool things about this place. How many bedrooms are there?
6 bedrooms, 4 baths. It's about 3,800 plus or minus square foot. Oh my God, this is really cool.
This is awesome.
It's like being on a Ponderosa. There's nothing in the icebox, Taylor, and I'm hungry. Could you imagine sitting here with a bunch of friends or business acquaintances for a party and having this place to yourself, all this land around you with this lodge?
We wanted to show you guys the bedrooms back here, but I mean, no one wants to look at bedrooms, so we're just going to do a quick little look. There's about 4 bedrooms back here. That's going to be super nice. Perfect, enough space for all your friends and family to stay here.